Latinos existed 3,000 years ago and were golden nomads? Well, sort of. Let me explain. See, majority of Latinos would be categorized as mestizo, which is a mixture of European or West Eurasian and Native American or East Eurasian DNA. But mestizos only came about from the European colonization of Americas, which was only around 600 years ago. Well, see, before Native Americans reached America, they formed in Siberia from Northeast Asians who made up 70%, and from ancient North Eurasians who made up 30%. See, a part of these people never left to Americas and stayed in South Siberia. They mainly carried haplogroup Q and some C2, the same haplogroups carried by Native Americans. About 3,000 years ago, Indo-European nomads migrating from Central Europe reached Siberia and mixed with these type of Asians to create the Scythians. Kind of how Spaniards mixed with Native Americans to create mestizos, except it was on more equal terms when it came to Scythians. These types of Scythians dominated the eastern and central steppes and were roughly half West Eurasian and East Eurasian. You are now seeing the faces of Scythians that had this genetic profile, and you can decide for yourself if they resemble mestizos. This is why when mestizos take DNA tests, their closest ancient populations tend to be these Scythians, except they're still quite distant due to the source of West Eurasian being vastly different in both and the source of East Eurasian in both having genetic drift due to separation.